In the English language, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Number 1, positive degree. In the positive degree, the comparison is shown by using word as, and between that put the positive degree word. For example, as good as tall as big as. The second type of the degree of comparison is comparative degree. In that degree, the comparison is shown by using word than, and in front of than the comparative degree word is put. For example, better than, taller than, bigger than. The third type of the degree is the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, the comparison is shown by the using word the or one of the, and after that word the superlative degree word is put. For example, the best, the tallest, the biggest. So dear student, in that way 3 degrees of comparison is given at the starting of the lesson. Dear students, now we are going to take the information about the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. So there are some of the rules are given in the English language about that. Let's see that rule. Number 1, if the positive degree ends in 2 consonants or in a single consonant preceded by 2 vowels, then we have to use in a comparative degree ER, and in positive degree EST are added. For example, in positive degree bold, in comparative degree bolder, in superlative degree boldest. In the same way, great, greater, greatest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, young, younger, youngest. The second rule of the formation of the comparative and superlative degree, when the positive degree ends in E, that time in comparative degree we have to just use R, and in superlative degree just put ST are added. For example, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, noble, nobler, noblest, white, whiter, whitest. When the positive degree ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and AST. So when positive degree ends in Y preceded by a consonant, that time Y is changed into a I and before adding ER and EST. For example, dry. Here Y is given, so if convert into the comparative dryer, Y change into the I, and in front of that we have to put ER. And in superlative driest, in place of the Y we have to use I, and after that put EST. Second example, easy, easier, easiest. Now next rule. But if the Y is preceded by a vowel, the Y is not changed to I. For example, gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, grayest. Next rule. When the positive degree is a word, one syllable, and ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is double before adding ER and EST. When in the positive degree word, before the last word or before the last sound, vowel is given. For example, fat. The last sound is the T and before that is a vowel A is given. So when we wanted to convert into the comparative degree, we have to repeat the last word, last syllable, and after that we have to put a ER. For example, fat, fatter. And when we wanted to convert into the superlative, again repeat the last syllable and after that we have to put there EST. For example, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, sad, sadder, saddest. The next rule, in all adjectives of more than 2 syllables and in most adjectives of 2 syllables, the comparative degree is formed by adding more and the superlative degree is formed by the adding most. For example, courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Industrious, more industrious and most industrious. So dear student, in that way some of the rules about the formations of comparative and superlative degrees. So dear student, now we are going to take the information about the irregular comparison. The following adjectives are compared irregularly. Their comparative and superlative degrees are not formed from the positive degree. For example, bad, worse, worse, far, further, furthest, for, former, foremost, good, well, better, best, late, latter, latest, late, latter, last, little, less, least, much, more, most, many, more, most, nigh, nigher, nighest, old, older, elder, older, eldest. So dear students, in that lesson, at the first starting of the lesson, we will take the information about the positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. I hope you have understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.